this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a tutorial for this Boombox box. So I mentioned in the previous video that I made this Boombox according to the tutorial of Kristianne, and I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below. And so first I want to thank Kristianne. Thank you for doing this great tutorial. And then I adjust the size to fit this boombox die, and also for the cassette tape die. So in her video, that the size is for the bigger size, and in to fit this boombox, the size is the smaller cassette tape die. So inside you can put four tape boxes, just like this one. So you can put stuff inside, and so you can put four, and also leave some space that you can put some decorations inside. So let's start. So first I will here is the measurements for both the cassette tape box and the boom box. So for the cassette box, this is the size in centimeters, and this is size in inches, that you need to cut this cardstock at this size. And so this is the cardstock that I cut to to make this cassette box. And then you need to sorry for the mess. And then as I mentioned here, you need to score it at 7/8 inches. So that's 7/8 inches, and then 3 1/8 inches, and then 4 inches, and this size. So since the one I use is only 6 inches, and so then you turn the other side and score it also at the 7/8 inches, and then you score at the both sides at 7/8 inches, and this size. Then fold it, and cut at these ends, so you can make the groove flaps. And now cut a little edge off. And please note that I just think of one thing, that to make the box the topper part, this width is a little wider than the bottom part to close the box, because when I did the test, I made this one. So this is the bottom part, and the top part and the bottom part is the same width. And then you will see here, when they close, this will rip out. So to make it fit perfectly, the top part is a little wider. So I made it the size. So this is the size, and just be sure that when you close the box, you need to make sure this wider part is on top of the box. And glue these two parts here. And glue these parts here. So the box now is ready, and you just add this tape, this cassette tape here. So this is the one, and then to make this boombox, you need to cut 2 pieces of cardstock, and the size is this one, and in inches is this one. So score it at 2 inches. And also this side are 2 inches. And this side. Okay, so this is ready. Yeah, because that my scoreboard is only 6 inches long, so I scored both sides at 2 inches. Instead, what I wrote here. So if your scoreboard is like mine, then you can score 2 inches at both sides. And if your scoreboard is longer or is bigger, then you can score it at these 2 sizes. So both way is okay. And let's do the same to the other one. So first let's make the bottom part, and then just cut both these 4 corners. And glue them together to make the box. So it's super easier to do this box. And let's make the top part. So the same way, and then you need to cut these 2 corners out. A little angle here. And then glue this part here. So the box part is ready, and then yeah, you can see, just put the boom box, this part, just you decorate this part, and then stick this part on the top of the box, then your boombox is ready. And in Kristianne's video, she even made a handle for the boombox. So if you want to make it in that style, so definitely check her video for making the handle, and she did an amazing job on this. Yeah, and so that is how these two boxes are made, and it's really not hard to do it, and just don't have too many mathematics to do. So you can use this box to send goodies to your friends, and I think this idea is really cute, and this idea is totally inspired by what Kristianne does. And yeah, I really love her work and really appreciate that she did all those tutorials, and they are so creative. And so definitely check her check her YouTube channel to see more creative ideas, and yeah, you won't be disappointed. So this is how the box will hold. So you can hold 4 cassette boxes inside, and then you can put some decorations here to fill this empty part. So hope I make myself understood. So this is the box, and yeah, so hope you will find this helpful, and so that's all for it today, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.